Hello guys, in this class we are going to learn about assigning the values which are entered by the end user to the attributes. Assigning the values which are entered by the end user to the attributes and displaying back to the end user. Okay, so light already we know lightning input is used to get the values from the end user. So whatever he entered the value in this, box. So enter student name is the label. Okay, and whatever the name he has mentioned here, that will go here. Of course, this is the same name of attribute. Okay, when user enters, okay, this is the flow. So whatever he entered, that value go to the attribute. Here I declared the attributes student name, English marks, science marks, maths marks, total marks. Marks are of decimal, name is of string type. When user enters the name, it go to the name. When user enters the English marks, see the name and spelling and everything should be same. Okay, otherwise you will get a problem. So whatever the user enters here, that will go to English marks. So similarly is the science marks. Similarly is the for the maths marks. He won't type or he won't give the total marks. He entered the individual marks. We are giving total marks back to the end user. Okay, we will see. So science marks will go to science marks. Maths marks will go to maths marks attribute. Okay, so in between science marks is also there that I didn't mention here, but you should understand. Okay. Now, once the user enters and it is going to the attributes. Now, the values which are entered by the user are in attributes. Now, we are calling these attributes into the controller after pressing the button which we called as total marks. The moment end user press the button total marks, it on click of total marks button, it calls the show method. Okay, which is available inside the controller. Here in the controller, I am calling the attributes. So I am calling the English marks. Okay, how you call the attributes in the controller with the help of component.get method. Component.get English marks, which I am storing in a variable called emarks. Component.get science marks, which I store in variable smarks. Component.get of math marks, which I am storing in the m marks, math marks variable m marks. Okay. Now e marks holds the English marks, s marks holds the science marks, m marks holds the math marks. Now I am declaring a one variable which we called as var t marks, total marks is equal to parseInt of e marks plus parseInt of s marks plus parseInt of m marks. Combination of these. Why we written parseInt? It's actually it is in the text format. To make it is integer or to make it is decimal, we are using parseInt. Okay. So now we are. If I don't write parseInt, what happen? No. If I entered English marks is 10, so science marks is 20, math marks is 30. What I will get? Total marks equal to 10, 20, 30, 10, 20, 30. Like that, it is concatenating the string like that. Okay, so that's why to avoid those situation, we write parseInt of this. Okay, now after getting the t marks, I'm calling the total marks into the controller with the help of component dot set. We are setting the value to the total marks. See v dot total marks, t marks should be written here. Okay, and this value should be going to the total marks. Okay, which is nothing but this one. Okay. Now after that, now the T marks came into this one, total marks. So after that, anyway, student name can be directly, we can call these things, or you can show these things with the help of div tag to the end user. So team total marks now, already we calculated the total marks which we are displaying with the help of this total marks. Anyway, along with these, whatever the user entered, English marks, science marks, and math marks also we are showing to the end user. Let us check out the problem, or you can call it as program. So these are the attributes. Okay, same code whatever we return in the paint. Okay, so this is the controller, this is the app. If I write preview, for example, student name is Ashok, English marks is equal to some 11, science marks is equal to 22, math marks equal to 33, total marks should be 66. So with the help of div tag, we are displaying these to end user. Even if you don't write the div tag, no problem. Automatically it will be assigned here. Okay. Thank you.